Welcome to Redplug Blown Insulation. We are the UK's leading installer of blown stone wall insulation systems to help with thermal, fire spreading, nuisance noise and soundproofing insulation problems through the country. What we're going to show you in this video is the thermal insulation process into a suspended ground floor of a period property. The project would have been pre-surveyed for suitability by the Redplug team, and as part of that process, the householder will have cleared the rooms ready for Redplug to start the installation. Here we see the Redplug team creating our Hammock system using a proprietary breathable membrane. We typically lift floorboards at each side of the room, which allows us to install our suspended Hammock system. The Hammock system consists of a pervious membrane fixed within the void between the suspended joists to create a hammock. The purpose of the hammock is to allow us to blow the material between the floor joists while holding the material in position. The insulation material combined with the breathable materials allows for air movement throughout the void to stop any potential moisture and condensation issues which would result in dry rot. Once the hammock is fully installed to the full length of the joists, the Redplug team can then fill the void with stone wall insulation. The insulation will perform thermally both through its thermal resistivity whilst also significantly reducing drafts through the floor void and coming up through the floorboard joists. Once the floorboards have been relaid, the floor itself will feel warmer and any draft through the floor will have been significantly reduced. For your free, no obligation quote, contact the office on 01386 555 455.